Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall, disable, delete, or get rid of Microsoft Edge, which I advise against, but if you want to do this, then the process is as follows. First of all, you need to search for another browser. So we'll use Google Chrome this time, and then search for this word Revo Uninstaller. Okay, download the software, the free version, not the paid version. Download the free version and install it on your system. Okay, now I have already installed it. So search for Revo Uninstaller and open it. Wait for the list to load. Right click on Edge and select uninstall. Okay, and then you can uninstall it. Okay, and just click on scan and it will start scanning, and after that it will start removing the leftover files and everything, because otherwise you cannot uninstall Microsoft Edge. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.